This Gaffer Power 5 pack of fluorescent gaffer tape offers strong, reliable adhesion that holds cables and gear in place yet still removes cleanly without leaving sticky residue behind. The bright fluorescent colors make it ideal for marking stages, floors, or gear, so positions and pathways stay highly visible even in low light or party environments. Unlike glossy duct tape, this tape has a matte, non-reflective finish that avoids unwanted glare on camera or on stage, which is a big plus for film and theater work. The tape tears by hand in neat strips without needing scissors, so it is easy to customize widths on the fly for quick fixes, labeling, or creative projects. Its durable, weather-resistant cloth backing stands up well to foot traffic and changing conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and short-term outdoor use. Made in the United States and long trusted in professional production settings, this set is also great for do-it-yourself projects, temporary light mounting, and organizing cables at home or in the studio.